Hi, it's Julie here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then just to let you know that I film DIY tutorials, studio vlogs and all that good stuff. So feel free to check all those videos out. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make 3 different types of cupcake toppers. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. So the first cupcake topper I will be making is the wild one. And the text I'm going for is called CLN Before Forever. Okay, once that's done, I'm just going to enlarge that and then press ungroup. And I want to join this dot over here, so select shapes and then I'm just going to overlap this circle on top of the dot. Now select the eye and slice. And just remove all the unwanted bits. And now drag the dot down and make sure you press weld. And now I'm going to join all the letters up together. Next I'm going to select one and then drag it over and just connect it with weld. And I wanted the W to be slightly bigger. Okay, and the O's to be slightly bigger too. And once I am happy with that, I will select all and weld it. So this should join all the letters together. And I would like this to be about 2 inches wide. And then I'm just going to change the colour to yellow to represent the gold. And now we're going to make it. Okay, I have already cut down to the size I need and I am using the 280 GSM glitter cardstock. And my mat is losing a bit of stickiness, so I'm just adding some masking tape to secure it down. And on the machine I have placed it on poster board, so let's go. So now all I need to do is add a cocktail stick right behind here. If you guys found my video super helpful so far, then please hit the like button down below. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys. Just making sure it's nice and straight, and I'll just leave this to dry. That's the first one done. For the next topper I will be uploading the number 1. You can also type that out from the text option. I'm going to reduce it down to 2 inches in height. This one is just super easy to make, so I'm just going to go ahead and click make it. And again I will be using the gold glitter cardstock, so here is the 280 GSM cardstock again. And I am using the poster board setting again. Just going to weed that out. And I'm just going to add a stick behind right here, and I'll show you what to do next. So whilst that is drying, I'm also going to make a little tiny bow with this pink ribbon. Looks so cute, right? So now I'm going to use a bit of hot glue and glue it down. So for the final cupcake topper, I am going to use a scallop. I got this from Google Image. You can also create your own if you know how to. So I'm just going to reduce that down to 2 inches and duplicate this. And to separate the colours, I'm going to go for pink for the background, and the second layer on top will be white. For this layer, I'm going to reduce it down to 1.7 inches, just so that it is slightly smaller than the pink one. And again, I will use the number 1 that's already been uploaded and duplicate that and reduce that down to 1 inch. I'm going to change that to a yellow, and now click make it. So the first layer I need to cut is the white one, or you can work on the pink one first, it doesn't really matter. Here I am using the 170 GSM cardstock, and for the setting I am using cardstock. And just carefully weed that out. And that's one done. So the next one will be the pink one. Same again, this is 170 GSM cardstock and it's the same setting. And finally, we're working with the gold cardstock, which is the 280 GSM cardstock, and go back to the poster board setting. So now we have all 3 layers ready, and I like to add a bit of dimension to it, so what I'm going to be using is the foam tape, which I'll add right at the back. Once that is all done, I need to add the cocktail stick right behind. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite, or which one are you more likely to make. And do give me a like and subscribe to see more of these type of videos in the future. I'll see you guys soon.